Solar panels arrived on the 11th. I just put up a temporary rack to hold two panels to play around with. They are wired in a series, so they're putting out 60 some volts coming in here. I just ran it underneath of the window. I put some closed cell foam in there to keep the cold out. Just a little update. Okay, I'm next to my solar panels, and I'm going to show you my horizon of what I have to deal with and where we're going from there. And I'm probably going to get blocked out by the sun, but there's my horizon. Right there is at this time of year about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, talk to you later. Bye. Okay, my previously installed 2 solar panels, added 2 more, temporary. You can see there's snow on the ground. Yep. Here's where we're going though. We're going up on that roof. I have a total of 10. I believe that will be the bottom line. We'll put 10 solar panels up there. I do have a little bit more inside to show you. Coming up next. Okay, it's pretty much full sun. We are now reading 12.2. Okay. And what is the time, Jason?
3:47.
Okay, we have been on for just a minute or so. It's already raised 10 degrees. Okay, we're going to see this. It's a high temperature probe for a thermometer, a meat thermometer for an oven. Okay, here we are. What is the time now, Jason?
3:48.
3:48. So we went from 3:46 to 3:48, and it's already 122 degrees. Don't mess with shit right now. Okay. The temperature probe is wired right to an electrical element. Okay. We've hit 160 degrees for some meat, and we're going to turn the timer off. Okay, so now we're at, damn it, it didn't go off. Okay,
Hold it.
alright, we're now at 100, 204 degrees. How many minutes, Jay?
4 minutes.
At 12.2 volts, and we're hitting 2 elements. We're jumping across, making it a 220, and now it's at 245 degrees. What's the time, Jay?
Almost 5 minutes.
Almost 5 minutes, and we're at 267, 68 degrees. It'll go well past 300. Okay? We're at 280. Okay? 280.